Hello and welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna tell you a story about everything being just perfect. So let's begin. So one day Oki the rabbit was looking across the field, and at the end of the field there was a huge road. The road was at least 8 lanes. Oki the rabbit wanted to visit that road. So as she showed her mom, she pointed at that road. She looked at that road and told her mom that she wanted to visit that road because she has never visited that road. Oki's parents have rarely also visited that road, so they were also very unfamiliar with that road and what will happen if Oki goes closer to that road. So Oki's mom told Oki that she could go on an adventure towards that road or tomorrow because today just hit night and she will not be able to go in the darkness. So she will have to stay in the house for today. So as the next day began, and Oki's mom packed a little bit of snacks, packed some snacks and also a sandwiches, also a sandwich, not sandwiches. Yes, and as Oki's mom packed those sandwiches into Oki's backpack, Oki's mom said that if you get hungry, then eat these sandwiches, and if you don't get hungry, then don't waste these sandwiches. So Oki agreed on that agreement, right, and started walking towards that road. There was a path going towards that road across the field. At first, the path started, and then right at the first part of that path, there was a pig farm. Next to that pig farm, Oki was going towards, but there was a pig. The pig looked at Oki and told Oki that she was very hungry and the farmer hadn't fed her. If she had something to feed her, then she will be very happy. Maybe then when Oki got an idea, she had an apple. So Oki gave that apple to that pig, and the pig was very happy. The pig wanted to tell Oki where she was going and show her some few fine tricks that the pig picked up from the experiences that she had in a circus. But Oki did not agree, and she said that she does not have time today and she will see the pig's tricks another day. So Oki started walking again, and she walked and walked and walked, and as Oki walked, she passed by a nearby horse farm, and there was only one horse left. The horse neighed and said that the farmer did not feed him and he was very hungry. Oki heard this and got a carrot out of her bag, and then Oki told the horse to eat this carrot, right, and the horse happily ate the carrot, right, and the horse was very happy. The horse told Oki that she could ride on him if she wanted to. If she wanted, then Oki declined because she did not have time today and she will rode on his back another day. And as Oki was going near a pond, and as she got nearer and nearer, she saw a duck was very hungry. So Oki gave her the last bit of food that she had, and it was a sandwich. The duck gobbled up that sandwich and the duck was very happy. So the duck asked Oki if he needed any directions on the way that she was going, but Oki said that she does not need any directions because she knew where she was going. But as Oki reached that 8-lane road, but Oki realized that it was almost dark and she could not go back, when all of a sudden the duck flew over her head and told her the way that she would need to go to her house. And then Oki started following that path. As the darkness hit, Oki was getting very scared. Then all of a sudden the pig came over and started cartwheeling. Oki thought that it was very funny, and as the pig cartwheeled around, all of a sudden the horse came and asked Oki to ride on his back, and the horse will take her home. and the horse will be very happy if she rode his back because she has fed the horse. The pig and the duck followed the horse. The duck told the horse where to go to reach Oki's house, and the pig just cartwheeled around the horse. And at last, when Oki reached her house, and her mom was standing there with a big hug, and as Oki hugged her mom, Oki said it was just a perfect journey. So this is the end of our video. So tata and goodbye. See you tomorrow again.